Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today what we will do, guys, today we'll create the APIs and that we will test in Python, guys. Sorry, means what we are doing, we are creating APIs in Python, that is get API and post API, and that we will test in Postman, guys, how it will work. And I'll tell guys how to test APIs, Python APIs in Postman. Okay, if any errors are there, that also we will solve, guys, today. Okay, so in this video you will learn creating the APIs, get and post APIs, and even how we can test that in Postman. If any errors are there, how to solve that also, everything you will learn in this guys in this video. Okay, so guys, watch this video full, then only you will get about this. Otherwise, half of knowledge it will be, right? So guys, watch this full video. Okay, so let's start, guys. So what we will do, guys, we'll create first get API, then we'll go for post API. Okay, so for that what we need one list, right? Because directly we are taking from here only. So what I will do, I will import some things, guys, which are required for API. Okay, so here I'll import, because I need Flask. Okay, so I'm importing Flask. From Flask, import. Oh, it is Flask, comma, JSONify is required, guys, which will convert dictionary data into in JSON, right? So we are using JSONify. Then request, because here we're requesting the API, so request is needed. So request and abort. Okay, so these things are required, guys. So we are importing these all. Abort is what, for any, if any errors are there, to show that error we are using that abort function. Okay, so next, guys, what we will do, this is our app, Flask app. So Flask, in bracket, here name will come, guys. This is common, guys. If you're using any Flask, we need to use this, what we can say, guys, instant, guys. That is this app instant, we need to use here in any Flask application. Okay, so done. Then what we will do, guys, we'll take some dummy data. Okay, for our post, so I'm taking here posts. Then here is my dummy data. Okay, so what I will take is dummy data. So here I'll take first ID. Okay, so ID will be 1. Then I will take here title. So what, oh, see, if you are taking any letters, this double quote should be there, it should be a string. Here title will be post 1 will take. Okay, this is post 1, so it will be easy to understand it. Then here content will come. Oh, see, I am only forgetting. Here content will come. Then in that, content of content of post 1, here it will come content of post 1. Okay, so this is done, guys. Then same, what I will do, I will same copy and paste it here. So it will be ID 2, then it will be post 2. See, same I'm taking. Okay, so this is my dummy data, guys. Okay, fine. Then next, what I will do, guys, I will write one route to get the post. I want this post, so for that I have to write one route. So what I will do, I will give you a comment, route to get a posts. Okay, route to get a posts data. So here we'll create one route to get post. The route will be app, the route. Then here I have to give the route, so I'll take forward slash posts. Then the method, which method I'm going to use here, I'm using here get request method, so it will be get. Okay, so this is done, guys, here. So next, what I have to do, see, guys, we have taken this post. Then see, once again, where I will verify, guys, anything is wrong. See, here I forgot methods, it should be, otherwise it will give error, guys, remember, it should be method only. Okay, then here my function will come to get the post, so get underscore posts. Okay, and here there will be a return JSONify. Okay, here there is JSONify, then in bracket it will be a posts. Okay, so this is our get request, guys. Okay, so whatever the posts are there now, that we are getting here. Next, what I will do, guys, first we'll see this, later we'll go for post. Okay, so for that, what I will do, I will end this program here. So to end the or to run the application, what I have to do, I have to take this for Flask. It is compulsory, guys. Okay, so equal to, then here it is main colon, and here app dot and anything error are there, that also it will show. If we write debug is equal to true. Oh, okay, so this is done, guys. So this is a simple one API where we are getting only the posts. Okay, so I'll run this first and we'll see what will come. So I'll write here python app dot py. If any error, I'll check that also. Hmm, I think I have to run. Okay, let it be, guys. Here I'll run, then I'll run in my Postman. Okay, so this is running, guys. My application is, means my code is running now. Okay, so what I will do, I'll copy this because I want this to test in my Postman. Okay, so I'm taking here that URL, and here is my path, that is, here it is posted, so I have to take this here and I'll paste it here. Okay, so my path is done, guys. Means whatever path I have given to get this post, that URL I have taken here. So what you need to do, whatever URL you will get, that you need to take, and with that you need to take this route. Okay, then I'll send this now and we'll check what will happen. We should get that data. So you can see, guys, I've got that data is content of post 1 and post 2. So second data I'll change, guys. Here what I will take in Fiskai, and here I will take software. Okay, done. I'll check now once again. You can see, guys, it is changed. That is content is software and title is in Fiskai. Okay, so get API is working correctly. No problem. Okay, so get is done, guys. Now what we have to do, we need to create a post. I want to create one post. See, guys, already here two posts are there, so I want to create a 3 4 5 6. This increment is then my post I want to create. Okay, so for that I'm writing now API. Okay, so for that, first what I have to do, same, guys, here also we have to take the root first. That is app dot root, then here I'll take post I want. Okay, or I'll write create, right? Wait, that'll change. Methods equal to, here there will be a post request. See, here if I change here, no problem. See, here it is get, here it is post, but the URL is same. Nothing will happen. It will work, guys. Okay. So root is for my post API. Root is created now. Then now define, here I'll give one name related to that only. That is create underscore post. So here we are going to create post, right? So it will be create underscore post. Then next what will happen, guys? Here I am taking if not. See, this is to check the error, guys. Okay, if not, request dot json or not title. Okay, if there is no title or if there is no request.json, then what it should give, guys, where it in request.json. Okay, see, guys, if not request.json or not title, means that if there is no title and no request.json, then what it should provide, it should provide a uh, this error, guys, that is abort 400. Means it will be a 400 bad request error. Okay, see, guys, this error will get, that is 400 bad request error, when there is no JSON or title. If it is not provided, it will give this error, guys. Means in your body, if there is no JSON and if there is a no title in that, means in JSON format, if there is no title, then it will give this error. So format should be there, JSON format, and title should be there. If you should not get any error, then it should be like that only. Okay, this is done. Oh, where I have one. Next, what we will do, guys, next we'll create new post. So new post. So in this post, what I have to add? So I'll take first ID, and this ID should be auto incremented, right? So what I have to take here, here it should be posts, then it will be a -1, then here it is ID, then here it is +1. If posts, else, guys, I'll tell this what it is exactly. Okay, else 1. Then next, what we will take, guys, see guys, here what is happening means this is auto incremented key, guys. So what it will do, it will take first element of last element of post list. Okay, it will take the last element of post list. Then what it will do, guys, this ID means it will take the last ID of that post, and this 1 plus 1 means it will increment the last ID with 1. Whatever the last ID, it will increment by 1. Okay, so for that it is done, guys. Then next ID we got, which is auto incremented. Then we want title, right? So here I'll write title. So title title, it will be like request.json, and here is my title. Then guys, we're taking here content, and content will be what? Request, same it will be request dot json dot get. Here it is content. If it is null also, it is fine. For means here we are taking content, if it is there also take, and if it's null also you take, guys, like that. Don't give any error, like that it is. Okay, then here we'll complete this. Next, what we need to do, guys, we need to append this post in our this post list, right? We need to append this new post in our this post. So for that, what we need to use here, we need to use posts dot append. Here there will be a new post. So whatever the new post we're creating, that it will append in this list, guys. Okay, I'll show that result also. Then next, what we need to do, we need to return JSON format, right? So return JSONify into bracket new underscore post, and it will be 201. Okay, so this is done, guys. So guys, this is done. See guys, here we have created a new post. Okay, so if there is a no JSON data, if the data is not in JSON format of, or if there is no title, that time it will give 400 bad request error. Okay, and if it is everything is correct, then what it will do, it will create a new post, and this we are using for auto increment, guys. It will take the last ID, and it will add +1 in that, and it will increment the ID. Okay, which is auto incremented. Then what we are doing, whatever the new post we are creating, that we are appending in this size, in this list we are appending that. Okay, so what we will do, guys, we will test this in Postman. We'll check whether it is creating new post, or whether it is appending in this, that we will check this now. Okay, so I'll go here, and what I will do, guys, see URL is same. So what I will do, I will just here create post, and here I have to take JSON format, right? So I'll go in body, and it should be a JSON format. So it should be in raw data, guys. So here I have to add content. Okay, so in double quotes I'll take content colon, sorry it's matrimonial take. Okay, this is my content and my title, TITL. Title will be what? It will be a website title type like that. Okay, so see guys, whatever the content means, whatever required for this to create a new post, I have added that. That is content and title. If you go here, if you see, there is a title and content I have given, and ID will be auto increment, so no need to add here ID for me. So we'll check guys whether it will increment, because here you can see guys only two IDs are there, so it should give one more ID. Okay, so we'll check guys whether it will give or not. Okay, so I'm going here, I'm sending here. Okay, you can see guys, id is created, means third id is also created. Suppose if I do here fourth, then fourth id is also created guys, so it is incremented by one. This is happening because of this guys. Here we are taken one incremented id, means auto incremented id. Because of that, what it is happening here, whenever I do send, it will increment by one. You can see guys, it will increment by one. Okay, so like this, what we can do guys, we can increment one by one. Okay, so you can see guys, like this, now six posts are there. So if I go here and if I do get, and if I send, I'll get all the posts. You can see guys, 1 2 3 4 5 6, whatever the post I have created, that also I will get through this get function guys. Okay, through this get function I'm getting, and through this create function I am creating the post. Okay, so like this you can, what you can do guys, like this you can create a post and you can test that in Postman. Okay, so I hope guys you got how it is working, and suppose if you have any question guys, then guys please comment in comment box. And if you want more videos like this, then guys please comment that also. And if you want more videos, then like, share and subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you so much guys, keep supporting it.